One type which is very specific to Solidity is the address type. Address types are storing 20 bytes worth of an Ethereum address or an Ethereum account. So let's run an example and see how that works. I'm going to create a new smart contract. Example address sol, and we are going to run this over here. Contract example address. All right, let's make an address type. Address public some address. And let's see how that looks like if we are going to deploy this and have a look what's inside here. It is by default a 0 address. So it's 0x0 and then basically followed by 40 zeros or 20 bytes worth of zeros. How to write those addresses? Well, function set some address, some address, public some address is some address. Let's kill this one, deploy a new one. And if you're going to write 0x01, it's the wrong argument, so you need the exact characters for an address. Where do you get an address from? Now you can copy it over here from your account. You have 20 accounts, I think, or so. And those are all addresses. They're just abbreviated with little dots here, but those are all addresses. And you basically can copy this one, paste it over here, transact, and then the address is this one. An address also has a member property that is balance. So if you are want to get the balance of an address, then you can do this with the property balance. So function get address balance, and let's make this again a public view function because we want to read something. More on that in a second in one of the next lectures where we are talking about view and pure functions. Just follow along. It's a view function. We want to read something, and it returns an unsigned integer 256. I'm just writing u into here, the short form, and then we are going to return some address dot balance. You see here from this storage variable the address balance. So we are going to deploy a new contract. We are going to get address balance. It's 0 because some address is right now the 0 address. Then we are updating our address with this address over here from the dropdown. It says it has 99.99999 something ether, and then we are updating this, and then it says the balance in Wei. What are Wei? 1 ETH equals 10 to the power of 18 Wei, and Wei is the smallest denomination on the Ethereum blockchain. So everything you do inside the smart contracts will most likely always be denominated in Wei. So if you want to convert it to ETH, then you need to use 18 decimal places. Yeah, there's a lot more denomination. You can see them on our accompanying website, ethereum-blockchain-developer.com. where I'm going to write down all of the most important denominations. The other one is